Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Gennetta and this is Being GTV. So today I am recording a get ready with me date night. So this evening I will be wearing this gray dress from JCPenney. It's actually Valentine's Day when I'm recording this, but you will probably see it a week after because me and editing, we really don't get along. But happy belated Valentine's Day. I'm also going to be wearing these Boohoo thigh-high boots. They were $25 or I believe $26. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Yeah. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's